What is housekeeping? Hotel housekeeping and staff collaboration software. Hello, hospitality enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of hotel housekeeping and staff collaboration. So, buckle up as we explore how this innovative tool Hotel-X revolutionizes the way hotels manage their housekeeping operations. Let's set the scene. You're running a bustling hotel, with guests checking in and out around the clock. With so much activity, keeping track of room cleaning assignments and maintenance requests can feel like a never-ending juggling act. That's where Smart Housekeeping Management comes in. Hotel-X is not just any software. It's a comprehensive solution designed to automate room cleaning assignments, streamline communication between staff members, and ensure that every guest experience is nothing short of exceptional. With Hotel-X, you no longer have to work on manual assignment sheets that has the scope of missed deadlines. The software intelligently assigns cleaning tasks to staff members based on availability and workload, ensuring that every room is cleaned promptly and efficiently. But here's where it gets even better. Smart Housekeeping doesn't just automate room assignments, it also keeps you in the loop every step of the way. Receive instant notifications if a room isn't ready within the designated time frame, take swift actions, and ensure guest satisfaction remains paramount. And let's not forget about maintenance requests. With Smart Housekeeping, guests can easily submit maintenance requests, streamlining the entire process and ensuring that issues are addressed promptly, keeping your property in top-notch condition. But what sets Hotel-X apart from the rest? Well, here at Revivo, we understand that housekeeping is the soul of hospitality. That's why housekeeping goes above and beyond, providing detailed reports that highlight your highest-performing staff members to the least performers, allowing you to recognize excellence and identify areas for improvement. So, whether you're managing a boutique hotel or a sprawling resort, Smart Housekeeping is your secret weapon, integrated seamlessly with property management software, channel management systems, and point-of-sale management systems for elevating your housekeeping operations to new heights of efficiency and excellence. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of housekeeping and how it's transforming hotel housekeeping and staff collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your hospitality operations. Until next time, happy hosting!